Hey everybody, my name is Todd Hesford. I'm the director here at Mission Viejo Auto Collision. Come on in, let's go take a look. My mom started this place in 1983 with the only thing in mind of just service oriented. Serve your customers, serve your team, and serve your community. It's going to come back to you every time. And it does. And the last 10 years, 15 years has proved it. That we're centered in South Orange County in Mission Viejo. It's great, right? It's a neighborhood that I've seen grow in the last 20, 30 years. It's a good mix of suburbia versus a little bit of urban with Irvine and stuff kind of surrounding us. So we get a great mix of customers. Our team that helps service them, they're incredible. They come from everywhere. I've got guys that drive in as far as from Corona, Anaheim, Santa Ana. Some live here local. It's just a great mix of people. And it's a great mix of clientele. They're really good people. We have a second location. We started about 4 years ago. It's called Community Collision Centers of Santa Margarita. They're right in the middle of signing up for all of their certification training. So we're excited. We're hoping that 2021 brings better things. I think like everybody is thinking. But they're right in the middle of going into that certification process as well. They're only about 4 or 5 miles away up in Santa Margarita. If you are going to try and set yourself apart, it's got to be about how you serve. And I think if you look anywhere on social media, whether it be the Yelps, the Googles, or whoever, I think you'll read it, and it's a consistent read. You know, the way they get treated, not just by the forward-facing CSRs, right, but by our estimators, our repair planners, even someone as simple as a detailer, right? When he's walking in and handing you your keys, you know, he does it with a smile on his face. You know, so I think people they genuinely feel that they're being loved when they're here. And I think that's important. Let's go take a look at one of our trained technicians getting ready to do a meticulous disassembly on a front end repair. We are currently certified with Ford, Nissan, Infiniti, the FCA group, Hyundai, and Kia as well. And we are looking to expand on that. That way we can continue to serve everybody. So working with the team at Assured Performance, it couldn't be any more simple for us. They helped us get online. They helped us to guide us getting everything in the questionnaire filled out and everything in our profile set up, reminding us when stuff wasn't done or wasn't even done properly, making sure that we knew in advance, look, here's your checklist, here's the training, here's the equipment, here's all the things that you're going to need, and to make sure that it's really a seamless piece. So couldn't be happier with that. We look at, again, what's going to separate us from the rest of the industry, right? Especially in our own backyard. We feel that certified repair is the next piece for us that will offer the consumer, the insurer, and us, everybody, the best possible result for a good, clean repair. The easiest part of offering a certified repair is you're giving a consumer peace of mind. You're giving him what no one else can give him. To be able to show him, not just tell him, but show him and prove to him, this is every single thing that happened in your repair. We disinfect the office, they disinfect the car, they're out with the consumer. Yep, they've got their mask on, they're ready to go, gloves if needed. We do everything we can to make them feel as comfortable as they can. And just want to be there for them. I want to be there for my team. I want to be there for the consumer. And when that insurance company is looking for that partner that says, God, have these guys made it? Have they made changes? Are they accommodating the customer? Have they made it through this whole deal? Yeah, we have. We will be here. One of the fantastic pieces through all this is when technology steps in to lend a hand. We obviously lean on social media, and people request estimates through social media on a regular basis. To get them an accurate estimate when you're looking at a thumbnail picture of a car or damage, it's super tough. So we've been able to drive that traffic from the social media sites back through our website, leverage that technology, and get in front of people. Get in front of people and write them a more accurate estimate that you wouldn't have been able to write a year ago. Also gives you the ability to stay in contact with the customer. So it's that part's been a real simple transition. It has been a piece that has been very popular with a lot of customers who still don't feel comfortable being out, don't want to take that chance. That's no problem. You don't have to come to us. We don't have to come to you. You just got to walk outside and take some pictures of your car. So one of the other things is we do have a mix of elderly in our community as well, picking up, delivering, drop off, shuttle service, you name it. Whatever is going to make them feel the most at ease, that's what we're looking for.
Yes.
The one thing that I am passionate about, and that's giving. And I love it. And I made a commitment to give 3 cars over the course of 3 years. And after I made the commitment, I realized, where am I going to get 3 cars, right? You give me a car, you want the car back. I don't get to keep it. Within the first week, the first car was in my lap, dropped in my lap. Within 3 weeks, second car was there. Within a month and a half, I had all 3 cars. Did it, fulfilled my obligation in under, I think, 7 or 8 months. And it felt good. It was expensive because I did it all on my own through our team, but it was expensive. Then I find out through a friend about recycled rides. Could not be happier. All I have to do is find the charity, find the group. They're going to help me with the car. We get to change lives. I get to make a difference in someone's life. If you sit through a recycled rides deal and you don't shed a tear, that you better go check yourself because there's something wrong with you. Yeah, it's fun. We do keep in touch with some of our recipients, and we see still to this day what it's done for them. And it's amazing. You've got to be willing to get up and do the work. You've got to be willing to get up and serve. And if someone's ringing the bell and raising their hand and say they need help, you got to jump. So we run to that fire every time.